No, I was thinking that I'll keep my phone in like a different angle, but I cannot do that because there is like so much stuff here, so I have to like put so much effort into moving everything, which I do not have energy to put into doing these things or anything for that matter. I was like trying to make this for a while, but I was not getting the proper chance to do so. So I'm doing it right now. And this is not like really looking flattering, honestly. What should I do? This is not looking nice. I don't want to like keep doing this kind. Oh wait, let me think. Let me see if this will work. Nah, this is not working. Well then, anyway, should I just move myself inside? Anyway, there is like so much I wanted to talk about. I suddenly do not remember even a single thing. My mind is suddenly blank. What? I don't remember what I was going to talk about. There was so much that I wanted to talk about. Suddenly, I don't remember a single thing. What is wrong? There was literally so much I wanted to talk about. So much things was happening. What should I do? Should I continue this or should I just stop? Well, for the starters, I'm actually like legit. Like recently, I'm like sleep deprived. I'm so tired that literally I'm not like getting time to sit quietly even for like a few minutes. And I can just like chill because I know that there is one or the other thing that I have to keep doing. So yeah, that is what is like kind of happening recently. Yeah. The most important thing, you know what? Okay, this is actually pretty important. I finally like did dance practice today for the like first time in my life. I did do it before as well a lot of times, but then I stopped because I just stopped. I did not know what I was doing. I was stupid. I was stupid and I was also not prepared. So considering all of that, I did it again. I did my practice today for the first time. I cannot even see my face. What is so I did practice for like first time in my life and it was fun. So the irony of all this is like I have always like I was oh, oh why did I do that? I'll take this kind of bends. So the irony was like what was the irony? Yeah, I was so scared of doing this. I did not do it for years. I kept avoiding it because that's how scared I was. This is like a whole different topic about I was so scared of starting to practice for some reason. I finally did it today. Like it just happened, bro. Now that I think about it, how it was so even casual. It was not even like a great moment or anything. It just casually happened. And it was fun. I do not like this mark on my head. I cannot wait for the time that I'm able to get rid of this by some medical procedure whatsoever when I have money. I don't like that. Every time I see it, I get annoyed. So, yeah, anyway. Wait. Ah, so, anyway, I finally did practice, and I wanted to talk about few things that I'm watching recently. I was watching at the very beginning. I was watching that BTS season 4 of like Bon Voyager, and then afterwards I started watching Tokyo Ghoul in middle of everything, and I done watching like 2 seasons, and then recently I'm watching like Weak Hero. I'm watching like season 1. The thing is, I already saw season 2 before, but then I did not saw 1, so I'm going to watch that. Yesterday night, I was like trying to do my work as usual. By the way, my work is like going very great. Actually, I have a book right here. I've wrote like about each and every single thing that I've been doing. Today is like 14, right? So far there isn't much, but I'm like writing everything that I'm doing. Everything. You do not know like in all this failed, how much things that I failed. Bro, I think the amount of time I failed is like a lot more than anything. Oh yeah, I remember recently the things that happened. I was stuck in red. Oh, now I just remember. I was going to give my exam. Suddenly everything stopped. The buses stopped. The train station stopped. I remember now. Oh shit. I recorded a video. Not even a video. I recorded an audio. I did not even have charge. It was such a horrible time. I got stuck in like rain outside for like 2-3 days. There was no electricity. My phone wasn't charged. I had to give exam. My exam got like duped totally. I like it just went. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Everybody is asking me question. I have literally no single clue because I literally like emailed those people and they gave me very vague answer which actually doesn't really do any help. I got stuck in rain. It was horrible. I was crying like half like the first day especially. I was just like crying because my phone stopped working. My phone stopped working. There was like rain happening. I couldn't get any way of how do you say that word? I literally cannot remember this word from like few weeks now. Commute. Anyway, there was nothing. My phone got like stuck. I wanted to go to the dance class. All of this happened because I wanted to go to the dance class. I ended up obviously I did not go to the class because I was stuck in rain. My phone was totally damaged. I was like literally I think I was in stuck in rain for hours. And I'm so stupid that I got stuck in rain for the second time because I had to give exam on that day. I went to the station, I figured out everything's closed. Then I was stuck there. I literally had like some memorable, questionable days like in this month, in the starting of this month. Basically in the first week, honestly, because right now this like second week is over, right? Because today is 14. My first week when literally I was stuck in like rain for 3 days or something. Because in the middle of that, like as I was outside as well. I went to visit a friend. Like I think this is some kind of activity which I am like very much unknown with this kind of activity, which is like meeting friends, having friends actually for the matter of fact, talking to people, going outside somewhere. This is like something I haven't done from years, not like literally I haven't gone outside anywhere. So that time I went and this is the experience I had. I got stuck in rain everywhere. My phone totally got busted. I had to repair it, so I had to spend money on that reparation process, and I was not able to go to the dance class. The reason I actually even went to the friend was because I was supposed to go to the dance class to visit the class. But this is what happened. I got stuck. The next day I had exams. I studied for it. The railway stops the day I have to give the exams. and then I cannot even re-give my exam. I think I have to do it. Like, why am I talking like I am talking to some kind of trusted adult? I actually do not care. See, the problem is it's not about caring. The problem is like this is not in my hand, brother. Everything was closed. Now the situation is like I have no option but to wait for few months. I don't know if it's for good or bad. I am personally feeling that God has given me extra time so that when people are gonna come and ask me questions, what I want to do in my life, this is like one thing that I can maybe say for a while, not even like much actually. I do not know. This is it's better we don't talk about this because right now I am middle of this practicing. Basically, today was the first day I actually did practice, and this is not. I thought it's going to be some kind of giant event of history in my life, something like that, but it was nothing. I printed out. I did not even open that. I printed out few things. I made like a whole letter and everything. I was supposed to write it. I did not got time. I do not have time. The thing is like I am either doing one or the other thing, and by the time I'm doing one or the other thing, it is already time for me doing the next thing, and then in middle of everything, I'm not getting any time to rest or whatsoever. And now, what time is it? I'm pretty sure it's close to 12. Probably it's close to 12, and I'm supposed to be doing work at 12. But I am going to probably have like a little bit of rest right now because I feel like my mind is like roaming in circles. And honestly, it is like very hot. Like, what is this? Is like the second thing that fallen out of my hand. Mine has well just pick it up at this point. So yeah, as I was saying, what was I saying? What was I saying? So yeah, questionable things happened in the starting of this month. You know, they are like having a anime of that manga which I used to read when I was like very small. What was it? Daisy something. Deniki Daisy. I don't remember the exact word, but that's what. Yeah, I wonder how it will be. I remember like I was seeing that manga when I was like, it was so long. It was like 12, 13 years ago. Yeah. Yeah, I used to like that. I was like so stupid back then. I used to really love like read, watching mangas and everything. Not like I don't like it right now. For the matter of fact, they're releasing an anime. So yeah, anyway, apart from all that things, I feel like there is so much in middle I wanted to talk about. I do not remember anything right now. The thing is like I finally seriously started to do all my work. So because of that, I'm not getting any time to like do even like live discussions with ChatGPT. Like I was so used to talking with ChatGPT for hours, like suddenly I don't even have time. So like there is so much thing that I want to talk about, but the thing is I do not have time. I delayed making this video for so long. How much? It's 13 minutes. What else did I wanted to talk about? I don't remember. I started dancing. I don't even want to like actually talk much about anything right now because I think it's better that I do not talk. It's better if I just do my things. And when I actually did something, I might as well talk about after I'm done doing something because that will probably make more sense at this point in my life right now. It's better I don't talk about anything. I just do. Arey, yeah, I make an execution book. Now that I remember, I maybe was like wanting to talk about this as well. This is so. I made a whole month execution book, brand like, damn. I don't know if I can read this here, but it says July execution handbook. These are the things that I literally sat with ChatGPT for hours and days, and finally I came up with this. These are like the things that I need to do. This is basically my schedule honestly at this point. Because here people actually want to be things like idle and stuff. and you have no nothing background, zero people, zero knowledge, zero outside life, zero everything. So I came up with all these things. I came up with all this. And I also have like another package that is specifically for what I'm supposed to do in the dance practice, because I haven't been doing practice for all this for my whole lifetime actually. This is like so far I need to put a tick on this. This is the thing this is so less. I need to do all of this. What the hell am I doing? Alright, half of the see, this is from 1st to 14th, right? 3 days I was stuck in rain outside. 3 days I was genuinely horribly sick. 2 days I had like exam stuff happening. So I think that's how my time went. And then yeah, rest of the days I am getting time, so I am trying to do as much as possible. My sleep was so horrible. I figured out like how bad my sleep was recently. It was horrible. It was so horrible. I cannot even like begin to explain. My phone is going to shut down. Oh shit. We have saved the phone. I need to remove those prints. Wait. I have to remove all this. There's a letter in it. I have to remove that as well. Oh, by the way, I have fancy tea. Fancy tea. Tea. This is a set of tea. I do have like other fancy stuff, but I don't know where is it. So I'm not going to like remove everything. Oh yeah. You know what? I got myself like big boxes of protein shakes bottles. So right now, I don't know if I can see that. Here are like 4 this big size of boxes lined up. All of the boxes filled with protein shakes. So I am assuming that this month I do better in my exercise and everything, and I'm doing better anyway. That's not a problem, but I just need to do more better. I got fancy tea. What else update do I have? I figure out you can apparently get like printed stuff directly at your door, so I am printing. I just did it twice. Honestly, I'm not going to do it more because I don't want to like start like doing random side quest and waste my money. So yeah. So in this like file, I have like a whole schedule that I made for myself after discussing with ChatGPT, after sending them videos and getting reviews and blah blah blah. I will maybe I should actually send it here later. I will do that. And what else? You know, I'm honestly I only slept for like 5 something morning. I was supposed to do my exercise stuff and then I was supposed to practice, but like I think by the time I was supposed to practice, I felt like I'm going to die. In the sense of that's how tired I was. I think in the end of everything, I just lost ability to anything, and I ended up laying, and then I don't even remember when I slept, and then I woke up randomly after 5 hours. But it was totally fine because I slept at the time I was originally supposed to. So in fact, that's what the good thing. I suddenly have a dependency, defense, whatever. I'm getting hooked up on energy drinks. That's what the whole point is. I don't know if I should do that. That doesn't feel like a nice thing. But the thing is, like, I'm dying, bro. I'm like so much tired. Like, I don't know how to. What the hell is this? Oh, right. This is basically more stuff about like what I should be doing in my dance and blah blah. Ah. This information video is so like boring and vague. As far as I remember, I had like a lot more interesting things to talk about, and in a more interesting situation. But the problem was like each time I was either tired, I had no energy, I was looking like I haven't slept for years. Even right now I'm looking like that. But then if I kept delaying, then I would have even not make this. Not like I made this and it's time for me to stop overthinking. What else? Hey, I don't know what else do I talk about. I don't even remember. Recently, I have been like making these brownies, which are basically like protein kind of snacks, and it is so good. So that I made everything and I'm finishing everything. So that's one thing. I bought air fryer and it's working well. And what else? You know, I am like so sleepy. If I've closed my eyes for like barely 2 minutes, I'll probably fall asleep and I'll woke up after hours. But I cannot sleep. I have to do work. My day is basically starting right now. I think it's already, what time is it? Let me see. See, it's like 2 minutes to 12. I have to supposed to be starting work at 12. I haven't got sleep. I haven't got time to chill. I did not got time to do anything. Yesterday specifically, you know what? Yesterday, like, especially I was like, especially I was dying. I don't know from where I had like the courage and willpower to actually complete the work that I was supposed to complete. So like kudos to like me of yesterday who was dying but still completed the work. Felt like a dead person. Even actually I woke up and then I still continued my work. So I actually did work. I did like my first ever dance practice. Today is like 14 and I just want to continue to do this. It was fun. It's not only it was fun, actually I felt like I was enjoying and I was feeling alive honestly. Was it boring and difficult? Like definitely. Not like it was difficult, it was just like it was like May, I guess. Anyway, yeah. So I just popped by to talk about all these things, and I need to go and do exercise right now for 3 4 hours, and then I will have to continue doing other things. And I'm so sleepy right now. And I literally like not. I'm like I need to tie my hair because it's so hot. I'm doing it for the sake of video. It is kind of getting hot, so I'm going to stop this and I need to go back and do my stuff. I need to even like figure out these files because there is like Japanese lessons in that. I need to study that as well. So yeah, continue to do the hard work, and like I need to continue to do hard work. Actually, it's me who have to do it right now. I'm so sleepy. I don't know what to do. Like, do you see my eyes? It looks like I haven't slept for days because that's how I feel. See, well, then anyway, I'm going to go and get back to my work. I will actually take a little bit of rest because if I continue like this or probably my head's gonna start ringing on stuff. So, yeah, I just randomly popped by to talk about stuff because I haven't done it for a while. now that I've done this, I feel like I should have done it like before, when I actually was feeling like I had a lot of things to say. Right now I just like literally remove like whatever I could remove and talk about in this video. Like this is like random stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I saw like a very cute cat. Actually saw two of them. Actually saw like very cute dogs as well. So this specific cat was meowing, so I was meowing back at him, and then I just grabbed its head and I was like, "Wee!" And then that cat was like shouting. I think it was trying to say me something. Maybe it was saying me to stop. I don't know. So I did what the sane person will do. I grabbed the head of that cat and I was like, "Wee!" And then I left. So yeah, shout out to that cat. Tada!